What is up, guys? Caleb here, or Caleb's FRS, and I know I have not uploaded in a while, in over a month or so, and there's a reason for that. The FRS is a new color, and I want to show you guys that color in 3, 2, 1.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys love the color. I know I do. If you're thinking about wrapping your car, it's definitely worth it. It changes the whole look of the car, obviously, but it makes your car feel new. It makes you wanna, it motivates you again to get back in the car scene. You can see my car is blue, the black roof. The car is fully ceramic coated, including the wheels. So it's ceramic coating on top of the wrap, so it makes this car more glossy, shine more, easier to wash, easier to take care of. I've only had the wrap for 4 or 5 days now. It's been great. Obviously I want to see how it does in long term, in terms of a year, 2 years, 3 years, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on that to let you guys know like how long wrap actually lasts and stuff like that. I'm be taking care of the car, washing it, keeping up with the ceramic coating, stuff like that. Or I'm just gonna let the car just sit in the sun and bake and all that stuff. Sometimes you can't help it, but hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. If you want to see more content about the car, want to ask me questions, go over my Instagram, and that's it, guys. Peace.